Why don't we eat bird eggs other than chicken eggs? Why only chicken eggs? Delicious and healthy eggs. They're delicious boiled, fried, or poached. Why are chicken eggs the only ones in stores? Farmers markets, organic or specialty stores may sell quail eggs, but what about geese, turkeys, and ducks? Egg. First, let's define egg. Bird embryos develop in eggs till hatching. They feed and protect chicks. Birds ovulate like women. With humans, the cycle lasts 28 days. In birds, it's different. Chickens are notable. Eggs are profitable. Every 25 hours, young hens ovulate. Eggs are expelled whether fertilized or not. Depending on breed and management, young hens lay 250 to 300 eggs every year until their first feather change at 2 years. Care, cultivation and breeding. Since chickens are low maintenance, they are well suited for industrial egg production. What about ducks, geese, and quail? Duck eggs are edible if well cooked. Eatable duck eggs exist. They're a delicacy since they're more intense and meaty than chicken eggs. Between February and May, ducks lay eggs. Ducks require more attention than hens. They must swim and bathe, making them unsuitable for industrial egg production. If you live near a duck farm, you can buy their eggs. They shouldn't be eaten uncooked because of salmonella concerns. Edible yet rare goose eggs. Goose eggs are large, attractive, and tasty. If you can acquire them, cook them for 10 minutes. Female geese only lay eggs from January to June and produce about 40 per year, compared to hens. You can buy them at select delis or online from local farms. Eating quail eggs is cruel. Quail eggs may be available in organic grocery stores or farmers markets. They're as nutritious and tasty as chicken eggs but smaller. 3 to 4 quail eggs equal 1 chicken egg. Their speckled shells weigh 0.35 to 0.42 ounces. You'd need several to feel full. As wonderful as they are, quail eggs mask a brutal truth. Unlike chickens, quail breeding is less controlled and vendors don't have to disclose conditions. Quails are often housed in tiny cages and subjected to artificial light 24 hours a day. Quail lay 15 eggs a year in the wild. In high-performance breeding, they lay 200 eggs in 38 weeks, then are slaughtered. Summary. Chicken eggs are the most cheap, thus they're sold in mass. Breeding conditions aren't usually ideal. On some farms, chickens are crowded in tight places, have little room to run, and are often wounded or sick. If you care about animal welfare, check for certified humane labeling on packages and egg cartons.
Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe for more videos.